Now here's a quick and easy way to make jerky at home using your microwave. You already have meat marinated, you have your curing salt, all your ingredients in it. What you do is just set your microwave for 3 minutes to start with. You need to lay some paper towels in there to absorb the moisture from the jerky. And this isn't the highest grade of jerky that you're going to make at home, but it's a good quick way of making it. But once you let it go through the cycle of 3 minutes, then you look at your jerky, and then you reset the microwave timer for 30 seconds, and you continue cooking it at 30-second lengths until you reach your desired dryness. Okay, we've completed the first 3 minutes of the drying process, so we're going to open up the microwave, we're going to check it, and as you can see, we're not quite to the drying level that we want. And you can see the water, how the napkin has absorbed the water, so what we're going to do is go ahead and put it on for another 30 seconds, and we'll continue doing that until we reach our desired dryness. Well, we've completed the next 30 seconds drying time, so we're going to look at it, take a small peek and see what we have. Well, you know, that looks like to me that it's pretty much about the level of dryness we want. This is the turkey, and it's still flexible and soft, and it's pretty dry. And then this is the beef, of course, and it's a little harder because it's a thicker piece of meat, but it's a little harder. You can still break it open, and you can see it's pretty much dried on the inside. So usually 3.5, up to 5 or 6 minutes. It depends on how thick your meat is as to how long it takes it to dry.